home, we've got some rain moving through, so it's if you're headed out this afternoon, be sure to take it slow. Have those headlights and windshield wipers going. It's going to be that kind of day. Let's turn it right over to Nicole Masinczyk. She's been monitoring the line of showers and storms moving through.
Really, it's just a lot of heavy rain right now. We've had a few isolated thunderstorms, so that's the good news.
Okay.
This is going to be a really soaking rain.
All right.
Already in Indianapolis, almost a half an inch of rain. I'm going to show you those rain totals in just a second, but I want to get you updated on what's happening with the satellite radar right now. You see this is moving from east to west, with the heaviest rain kind of moving from the southwest to the northeast. Not seeing anything severe right now, but what we do have are some moderate to heavy rain showers. We can hear them right now in downtown Indianapolis. This is making its way through Broad Ripple as you look towards Avon, just to the south of that around Greenwood. It's going to be crossing 65, and probably in just about 30 minutes or so it's going to be right over I-74 heading to Shelbyville. Near Pendleton, we have some heavier rain up through Noblesville, and that will be the case as you look up to the northeast from Portland to Huntington. Steady rain as you look back towards Delphi, Carrollton, and Kokomo, and then as we head down to the south, you'll see around Martinsville right along 37 we have those very heavy showers. Again, nothing severe right now, not ruling out a strong storm, but for the most part just a few rumbles of thunder as we go through the afternoon. We're going to be watching what's happening back out to the west because over portions of Illinois we are looking at another line developing that could move through as we go through the afternoon. I was talking about those rainfall totals, pretty impressive so far, just about a half an inch from Kokomo to Indianapolis, little more than that in Greencastle, and the rain hasn't quite reached Shelbyville just yet, so that total will be going up. As you look towards Bunker Hill, you can see that in some of the grassy areas that are a little bit low-lying, we do have a few puddles forming, and we're going to see that as we head through the day. This is downtown Indianapolis. You can see just how much that visibility has dropped. Temperatures have dropped too. This morning we were in the low 60s. We're now at 58 degrees with winds out of the west-southwest, 11 miles per hour. 55 in Marion, 64 in Columbus, 64 in Greensburg. Once that soaking rain heads to the southeast, we're going to see these temperatures in the 60s drop. So everybody that's pretty much in the 50s right now, it's where you're going to stay for most of the day. In terms of that severe storm risk, today we're at a level 1. The top would be a level 5. So isolated severe storm possible. For the most part, we're just looking at this heavy rain. You'll see it here on FUTURETRAK 13 all the way through the afternoon, off and on, and then by about 6, 7 o'clock tonight, we turn mainly dry. So the good news is we'll start to dry out relatively quickly, and I think at this point the rain will be ending with temperatures falling into the upper 40s by 10 o'clock. We could pick up to an inch of rain by then. Some spots maybe a little bit more, but what's going to be more noticeable, much colder tomorrow. 33 degrees to start off your Friday. Tomorrow's high only 49. And on FUTURETRAK 13, you'll notice that as we start your Friday, we'll have some clouds. Those will eventually fall apart. And then Saturday will be nice and dry. So that's something that we'll be watching, with rain on the way for portions of Easter Sunday. As of right now, looks to hold off until we go to Sunday afternoon. If that changes, we'll let you know. But temperatures remaining pretty warm, especially since we'll be in the mid-60s both Saturday and Sunday. Monday, 54. And then by Tuesday, we're already starting that climb right back up into the 60s.
Well, folks.